Hello and welcome. In this video, I'd like to talk about what kind of documents you need in order to set up a company in Hong Kong. Now, first of all, as the company owner, the shareholder and director, you're required to present the copy of your passport. That's number one. Number two is you need to present a proof of address. If you're living in China, rental agreement for your property is going to be enough. Or if you have a house, apartment that you own, then usually you're required to present, for example, utility bill copy, electricity, natural gas or water, anything that you can prove that this address belongs to you. Or alternatively, sometimes you can get a letter from the local community showing that you actually reside in this address. Or sometimes property owner's certificate is also going to be enough. So anyway, you need to show proof of address in different forms, depending on your situation. Number three, you need to present the copy of your signature. So starting from recently, actually, Hong Kong tax office is requiring the copy of the signature, which is usually you take a piece of paper, white paper, and then sign on it on different sides. We're going to give you an example if you do it through us. So basically, you need to provide the copy of your signature. And the last thing which is required is you need to hold your identification document, which is your passport if you're a foreigner. Then you need to take a selfie with it. So basically, you will be holding your passport, and your face and the contents of the passport should be clear. So these are the required documents to start a company. Now, of course, from the informational side, you need to provide a few name options. You need to arrange them by importance, obviously, whichever is the most important and you would like to take that name, you need to put that at first so that, we can use that first. And besides that, you need to tell us what kind of business activity the company will be engaging in, for example, import and export or business consulting or anything else. And with that, we're going to file an application on your behalf. The whole time frame is going to take no more than 7 days, and that's including your bank account. So you can contact us, and we're going to take care of the whole process of company formation for you. And then, like I said, including bank account for your Hong Kong company. Now, sometimes I get this question. Can I start a company in China if I'm a foreign student here? The answer to this question is yes or no. From like purely technical perspective, of course, you can register a company, but there is actually very important element here. If you are under student status here, foreign student status, you cannot run a company in China. That would be illegal work. You can register. There's no restriction during registration process because nobody's going to ask your status here. Company registrar is going to require the copy of the passport and name choices and business activities, information, etc. You can go through that. You can get the license. However, when you are under student visa, please understand, you cannot generate income in China. That would be illegal because foreign students here cannot operate a business. So therefore, our response to such questions is, why don't you consider setting up your company in Hong Kong or in the US, for example, and set up your online store under these foreign entities? Because if you have a company outside of China, from legal perspective as well, it's not going to affect your foreign student status here. All right. Because China is a separate jurisdiction from Hong Kong, for example, or Singapore or the US. Therefore, having a company in those jurisdictions is not going to affect your status here. Only when you have a company in China, inside China, then it will be considered as illegal work because it's inside China. You're making money inside China. So, yeah, again, consider setting up your Hong Kong company We recommend Hong Kong because of the proximity, and of course, Hong Kong is a special administrative region for China. There's a lot of beneficial agreements between the two countries, and it's just easier to use the Hong Kong company to buy from your Chinese suppliers and also set up your online store. You can sell to your Chinese clients, you can sell to global clients, but you will be receiving your payments, your Hong Kong company's account, which is held in Hong Kong, not inside China. So this way you will not be breaking the Chinese laws here. With that, so I'm going to close this video. You can contact us if you have any questions. And actually, we have a YouTube channel. So only recently I started using actually WeChat actively, WeChat channel. But you can find us on YouTube. You're going to see a lot of videos there on different topics, including setting up a company in China, Hong Kong, Singapore, US, Canada, etc. So yeah. Visit our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can send us an email or add me on WeChat. Welcome to connect with us. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.